When does learning begin? From the moment of delivery, the infant begins to gather information that will be a part of the way stimuli is processed for the rest of its life. Sounds, smells, taste, shape, light, and touch send unique messages to the brain. Our goal is to shape, assist, and mold the process of learning as that brain evolves. As that new brain encounters stimuli, the most important thing of all is to learn how to learn. If you know of someone expecting or about to welcome a new life into the world, please subscribe. In the coming days, months, and years, Evolving Brain will make available the tools to guide the new brain on the lifelong journey of learning and to help it truly evolve.